So this knuckle in here has been leaking oil, as you can see there. So I'm gonna get this taken off. Got a new one here. If you're having that same problem, there's the part number for the John Deere 3032 and 3038E. So we're gonna get this taken off, get this replaced. Then we can get this tractor back to work. This seal right in here that we'll be replacing. It's the one that's leaking. Just trying to get it a little bit cleaned up. So now that we've got the wheel removed, we are going to come down here to the back and pull out this drain plug, drain the oil in the axle, and then we will remove all these bolts around here, which will allow us to pull the hub off. And then once we get inside, there's some other stuff we have to pull apart to get this to come out, so we can pop in our new seal. Now that we've got the drain plug removed, we're going to pull off these bolts all around the hub. Well, that oil doesn't look good. And I spilled a bunch of it. Now here's the inside. We've got a snap ring that we need to pull off. Then we can pull this whole part. It'll let it come off. And then we can get to the seal that we need to replace. Got the snap ring pulled off. Came in here, knocked it down with a hammer. Forgot to film all this. And then you see in there I've got some junk to clean out. But then you just pull this seal out, get your new seal in there, stick it back on, and we'll be ready to go. Number, okay.
Alright, so you're going to put your parts back in order. They came out. This was in here. Then you've got your seal. And you need to make sure you get it in, put in flush when you press it in.
I think we've got that.
Since it has this top thing,
Now you gotta put the shaft back in before you put that on.
alright, now there are
And put those in.
these two rings you got to put back in. Make sure they're clean. And then your shaft in the top. Make sure the splines line up. And so this would come off because that's like your protector thing.
Yeah, but I hold it up.
And it's pre-greased in here.
block, you have more to hit on. And more swing. Even with okay,
You
got
get
the
that snap ring on there.
get the drain pipe back in here. Now I just gotta get the wheel on here, and I'm gonna drain the other hub and then get new oil in the axle, and we'll be good to go. There we go, got it all put back together. Spilled some oil when I was refilling it. But that is how to change the oil seal on a John Deere 3032. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys all next time. Thanks for watching.